Hi, welcome to Churchill County Library Family Reading Program. The book we're reading today is My Truck is Stuck by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk, and is published by Scholastic. But before we start to read the book, I thought we should do a song. And after a couple verses, I bet you'll be able to join along with me. And the song is about all the main characters in this book. So are you ready? Here we go. Where is dump truck? Where is dump truck? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Where is green car? Where is green car? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Where is moving van? Where is moving van? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Where is red Jeep? Where is red Jeep? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Where is school bus? Where is school bus? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Where is tow truck? Where is tow truck? Here I am, here I am. Get in line, get in line. Okay, so were you able to sing along with me? If not, I bet you can do that at home after you hear the story, and it'll be fun to do. Okay, are you ready for the story? I'm going to take my board down. Okay, it's time for our story. My truck is stuck. And I'm going to set it on here so you'll be able to see all the pictures. There we go. Dump truck coming down the road, dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they roll, round and round. What do you think is going to happen? Into a hole. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the big truck won't go, not 1 inch more. What will they do? Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Help, please help. Beep, beep. Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. That was a good idea for them to ask for help, wasn't it? Instead of try to figure it out all by themselves. Rotten luck, my can't go, my truck is stuck. Tug and tow, 2 engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. So there's 1, 2. And what's all this in the back of the truck? Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a van driven by a moving man. And help. And do you notice who is driving all these cars? And he's asking for help again. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow, 3 engines roar, but the truck won't go. 1, 2, 3. And it still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a Jeep up a hillside very steep. Do you think they'll be able to help the stuck truck go? Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow, 4 engines roar. The truck still won't go. Not even with, how many help me, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the truck still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. What do you think? Will this be the one that will help them go? And it looks like somebody's calling for help. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow, 5 engines roar. The truck won't go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder what these guys are doing. Have you noticed that picture? Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up and then you'll say, do you think this will work? What luck! My truck's not stuck. Vroom, vroom. Now car and van and Jeep and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. Wait a minute. What happened? What happened to his load? Do you know what happened? Somebody was being sneaky, huh? And let's count how many cars were involved again, okay? Last there was the bus, the Jeep, the van, the green car, and then finally the tow truck came along. So how many vehicles is that all together? Can you count with me? Did you count that time all by yourself? And do you remember what car came first? And who was finally able to pull the stuck truck out of the hole? I hope you enjoyed that story, and be sure to pick up your packet here at the library this afternoon or sometime today. And thanks for joining me today.